Welcome to our video on Sqribble, the incredible cloud-based ebook creator tool that is revolutionizing the way we create digital books. If you're looking to produce professional-looking ebooks quickly and effortlessly, you've come to the right place. Sqribble truly sets itself apart from other ebook creation tools for a multitude of reasons. One of its standout features is the automatic content generation capability. Yes, you heard that right. With Sqribble, you can populate your ebook with high-quality, expert content without having to write a single word yourself. All you need to do is provide a URL, and Sqribble will seamlessly pull in relevant content from the web, ensuring that your ebook is both informative and engaging. Additionally, you can easily extract text from a Word document or choose from their extensive library of niche articles. This feature is nothing short of a game changer for anyone looking to create content efficiently. Just think about the time you can save. Hours of writing can be eliminated. If you find writing to be a chore or simply don't have the time to dedicate to it, Sqribble is the perfect solution for you. It empowers you to focus on what really matters while it takes care of the heavy lifting. With just a few clicks, you can design a stunning ebook that not only looks professional, but also captures the attention of your audience. Plus, using Sqribble can save you a significant amount of money compared to hiring freelance writers or graphic designers, making it a cost-effective choice for anyone looking to publish their work. So, if you're ready to embark on your ebook creation journey with ease and efficiency, we highly encourage you to give Sqribble a try. You'll be amazed at how simple and intuitive the process is. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on creating amazing content that stands out.
Don't forget to check out the link in the description for all the resources mentioned in this video.